Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do the Pinterest trend on TikTok. So let's go back to the main screen. Okay, so before starting anything you need to start your screen recorder. Okay, then open Pinterest. Okay, you will see your home screen. Now at the bottom of the screen you can see this search button. Tap there. Now on the top row you will see this search bar. Next to the search bar you will see this camera button. Tap there. Okay, on your camera, then you need to take a picture. Okay, and that's it. You can stop the screen recording and you can use the video in TikTok. So that's it guys. Likewise you can do this Pinterest trend on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.